My name is.
Okay. You both are twins.
Yes, ma'am.
I could. Yes or no?
No. No. My name is
No.
Aro.
Okay. Which standard? Lakshmi Beta, switch. Keep your camera on. You're in which class, both of you?
Sixth standard. I am fifth standard.
Okay, fifth and sixth standard. Arav, can you tell me something about yourself?
My name is Aro.
Yes.
I am in grade 2.
Okay.
My father's name is Kalpit Makwana. My mother name is Chaitali Makwana. My school name is Anand Vidya Vihar.
Okay, where do you stay? Where do you live?
Samta, Police Chowki,
No, tell me the name of the city.
Vadodara.
Rodra. And Lakshmi, where are you from?
I am from Pragati Nagar, ma'am.
Delhi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what about you two boys? You are from
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. What about you? What's your name, beta? Unmute yourself. Preeti ji. Unmute. Yes. Can you tell me something about yourself?
My name is Avyagar Gujawan.
इतनी जल्दी. Again.
My name is Avyagar Gujawan.
I can't get your name. Can you pronounce it again?
My name is Avyagar Gujawan.
Avyagra, ma'am. Avyagra.
Avyagra.
Yes,
Okay. What a unique name. Very nice. Okay.
Thank you.
And in which standard do you study?
Fourth.
Okay, you're in fourth standard. Okay, just tell me one thing. Even parents are sitting there. Okay, first of all, let me welcome you all first. You all are welcome to the Numeromagic handwriting classes. So, आप लोग यहाँ जुड़े हो इसका पूरा पूरा मतलब है that you people really want to know a lot about handwriting, isn't it? Or somewhere or the other might be struggling with handwriting. So,
Yes,
where am I correct? Am I correct? Okay.
Yes.
आरव के parents हैं वहाँ पे?
Yeah,
Yes. Yes.
I'm here.
I'm here.
Okay. So, sir, please tell me something about like what is the important thing you wanted to know about handwriting. Let us first discuss that.
I know my handwriting will be not a good. So Sam, my thing will be
पहली
our.
बात तो मैं ये मिथ कंप्लीट करूं कि कोई भी राइटिंग गंदी या अच्छी होती नहीं है. हैंड राइटिंग इज अ ब्रेन राइटिंग.
Okay.
So whatever you have in your brain, that will be in your writing, sir.
Okay.
So never say that my writing is bad. Everybody's writing is good. It's just that when you are messy, when you are stressed, when you are happy, when you are angry, so your emotions even carry your handwriting patterns.
Okay.
Okay. So you're not satisfied with Arav's handwriting?
So teacher is also complaining for the handwriting. So it's not a readable, and he's trying to writing in the cursive writing, basically.
Okay.
So that's why
Fine.
sometimes Arav's spelling has been mistake from the writing two words.
Okay. So let us do one thing. Each one of you take out your school notebook. School in the sense कि आप लोग स्कूल में सिंगल लाइन में लिखते हो तो सिंगल लाइन, 4 लाइन में लिखते हो तो 4 लाइन. Write few lines and show it to me. Let me see आप लोग की writing कैसी है first.
4 line.
Both the boys over there, brothers, Lakshmi, आप भी, you must be using single line notebook as you in 6th standard. Avagrah, आप भी, Preeti ma'am, please allow him and
Yes,
ask
ma'am.
him to switch on the camera. That builds confidence when he'll see into my eyes.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
I understand mothers are busy, that you can keep the camera off, but kids are not allowed to keep the
No
camera
problem.
off.
Yes.
Kids need to develop their confidence level. So you
Yes.
should sit, in front of the camera. Anyone else, if you have any confusion, because as I understand, people are struggling somewhere with the handwriting, you can ask questions. And of course, I will be explaining about the classes and everything. Once, let me check kids' handwriting. Okay. Okay, Avagrah has started writing. Arav is also started writing. Lakshmi is also ready with the
Yeah, yeah.
notebook. Very good. Lakshmi, you must be writing with pen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Both the brothers ready? Started?
Ma'am, now I need to use single ruled or four ruled.
Single ruled, beta, because I want to see how you write in school. We will use 4 when I will start teaching.
What to write, ma'am?
Right? About your introduction.
One.
You can write anything of your choice.
Let's see it.
Is
Anyone have any question related your writing part? You can ask me.
Double A and A and the
Spellings, anything.
V I
B by
T Y A
Bihar.
Bihar. B
I
I H.
A.
Ma'am, completed, ma'am. A.
Very good. Okay, bring it closer to the camera.
Me on the camera. Oh, noted. Completed.
Ma'am, it is
Bring it, I can see. As you were showing.
Musically.
Okay, it's almost a print writing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's writing with the ball pen.
Okay, great. Who's writing with the ball pen? Arav?
Sorry?
Arav is in second standard. He must be using pencil, right?
He's using a pencil. Yeah.
Arav, write with a pencil. With a pen in front of me.
You are writing with the pencil, Arav.
I checked your work, beta. Saw your writing. Good. Okay, this is the another one. Okay. He needs to work for his writing. Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you, both of you. Lakshmi, done? Ada, dancing.
1 minute, ma'am.
I'll wait. No worry.
Pencil still okay, by my. Ma'am, can you speak in English?
Yes, of course I can. You don't understand Hindi?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you could have told me that. Fine, fine. I'll be using Hindi and English both. Okay,
ma'am.
because I think I don't know about Arab. So I'll speak in both the languages. Okay?
Ma'am.
Okay.
Double R
Right now.
Okay, so in Hyderabad, which language you speak?
Hindi,
Um,
Hindi or English, both.
Hindi
Unmute
and
yourself.
both.
Come again.
Hindi.
Hindi and English both.
Hindi and English both. And you both the boys?
Telugu and English.
Telugu. That is right. Fine, fine. I'm going to speak in English. Don't worry. We'll just wait for Lakshmi, Arav, and Avagre. Let them finish, then we will start. Okay, till that, you both the boys, I will teach you brain gym. Do you know what is brain gym? Unmute yourself and tell me. Do you have any idea what is brain gym?
No.
Don't know, ma'am. Don't know, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know what is yoga?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, you know, people do yoga to keep themselves healthy, right? To keep
Yes, ma'am.
themselves fit and fine. In a same manner, in handwriting classes, we do brain gym to keep our brain healthy and active. Okay, you want to learn this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bring your both the fist. Now, open your thumb
Second.
and the
Activity
little
करें?
finger
छोड़
of
दो.
the
मतलब
right hand.
ऊपर करें.
Close it. Open the opposite.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Hand.
Okay.
के छेद में hand का.
Close it. Open the opposite.
Ma'am, I'm
करो.
done.
Done?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Lakshmi, I'll check your work. Till that, learn this.
I done होगा.
Can you do
Ma'am,
this, Lakshmi? Yes, you have to do it fast. 1,
ऐसे करो.
Exercise करो.
2.
मैडम बता exercise करो.
फिंगर निकालो.
Lakshmi, you have to close this. Yes. See what I need to do. I'll open only my thumb and little finger. I'll close it and I'll open the opposite.
Opposite side. Vijay. Yes.
Arav, thumb, close your thumb. Yes. 1,
Very good. बंद कर उंगली आने बंद करता हूँ. फिर
close. 2, 3. Very good, Avagre. 4,
उंगली हाँ बस.
5.
Exercise. That's at बोलो.
Lakshmi, can you put your hand little up so that I can see?
आने बंद करो.
No, not like this. Close it. Yes. 7,
7. Thumb and little finger. Okay.
8,
Little finger and thumb. Okay, very good.
9.
Right. But no, little finger and thumb.
Very good, Avagre. 10.
Little finger.
Okay. So you understood how you need to do this? Is it
ma'am.
tough?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
It's not tough. You all just need practice. Okay. The new one. What's your name? Can you introduce yourself once?
My name is Chainam.
Chainam. From where you're attending the class?
Rajkot.
Rajkot. Okay. Okay. So how old are you and which standard?
I'm 13 years old. I'm in 9th standard.
You're 9th standard. Okay. You know, you are here for handwriting class, right? You love to write or
Yes, ma'am.
you don't like to write?
Medium.
Medium. Okay. So what is the reason behind joining the class?
Because I write like this with my hand is like back.
Okay. So why don't you try to hold it like this? Because this is the correct posture.
I can't do like that, ma'am. That's why.
You should try. Okay, parents are sitting over there. Each and every parents are there. Let me tell you one thing very wonderful. I don't know आपने कभी ये सुना है कि नहीं. Okay? तो सारे parents English समझते हैं कि मैं English और हिंदी दोनों बोलूं. Can you help me out with that?
Both language.
Ma'am,
बहुत बोल दीजिए. अव्यग्र को भी
Language?
थोड़ा इंग्लिश
Okay.
में यस इशू है मैम.
अभी देखिए sorry बेटा मैं again आपका I forgot your name. Chainam. What's your name?
Chainam.
Chainam. So देखो चैनम ने एक बहुत अच्छी बात बोली. He told a very nice thing that he hold the pen like this. Okay. Now see, let me tell you why it is important to hold pen or pencil in this posture.
Yes.
Have you ever thought why? Why this is the only posture which is being asked by every elder to hold pen or pencil like this? Can anyone tell me over here? Parents are sitting, kids are sitting. Can anyone tell me why? Why are we supposed to hold it like this? No?
No
Let
idea.
me tell you.
No idea.
Have you seen our god and goddesses sitting in this posture?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So do you
Yes.
know what is this? This mudra known as?
Dhyan Mudra.
Very good. Okay. We also called it Gyan Mudra. Now see what happened. Why is it called Gyan Mudra and all? Because, you know, this thumb, the nerves, which is connected directly to the pituitary gland. So when kids or anyone hold pen or pencil in this way, what is happening? We are actually pressing the tip of these fingers, and without even, you know, in a blink, our chakras are getting activated. Our pituitary gland is getting activated. So when your pituitary gland gets activated, you know, there are number of benefits you receive. So this is the main reason. अब इसी बात पे एक और बात बताऊं. You all must have heard about Eklavya, and he offered his thumb to the master,
Yes.
right? So this was the
Right.
reason, because this is directly connected. So if you have no thumb, then it's almost useless. You know, your this hand is
Yes.
become useless.
Right.
Correct? So this
Correct.
is the important reason. So kids, you are grown up. That is why I'm explaining this. I can see all the grown up boys over here, girl even. And except Arav. Arav is a bit young, but still Arav is very understanding, I can see. Right? So make sure that you people will hold, grip pen or pencil like this, so that you can activate your pituitary gland. Now in this context, let me tell you one more thing. मम्मा बोलती है, टीचर स्कूल में बोलती है that after learning a lesson, write it down. You will able to remember it for a long time. Do they say that?
Yes.
Right?
Then,
Why? Because when you will write, your pituitary gland will get activated and you could able to memorize it for a long time, or you can able to lock it in your brain for a long time. Understood? So beta, now onwards, I know it will become tough because you're already in a 9th standard, you're already 14 years old. So you have a habit of a long time writing like this, but now still you have time. कोशिश करो, try it, okay? और ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई भी चीज हो नहीं सकती. Now with the knowledge कि मुझे अपने pituitary gland को activate करना है, वो भी proper तरीके से, try it. Clear? Great. Okay. So, can we start a bit of writing?
Yes, ma'am.
You all are ready to start writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, quickly take out your 4-line notebook.
4 line,
And
ma'am.
as I have all the big students over here, and I can see parents are also very keen to learn. So, I'll be teaching to the parents also today. Okay?
Can you?
Okay. Come on. Everyone. I can see few cameras off. I want everyone to put their camera on, because then only I will be able to understand who is writing and who's not. Who's this iPhone? Please tell me. Switch on your camera. Avagrah, Please, beta, switch on your camera.
Yes, yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Okay.
Karachi. Beautiful laptop पर कुछ नहीं.
Okay. So, can we start now? Okay. अब यहाँ पे सब बड़े बच्चे हैं, तो मैं एक चीज और बताऊंगी आप लोगों को. That why are we using 4-line notebook? सबको लग रहा होगा कि like he is तो in 9th standard. Ma'am, I'm already in 9th standard. Why should I write in 4-line? Right? I can see your smile. I can understand that. Even Lakshmi is thinking, ma'am, I'm in 6th standard. Okay? So, see, I'll tell you one thing very interesting today. Now, can you see these lines? You know, these lines play a very fantastic and an important role in our handwriting. Okay? Now, you people will tell me this is a stick figure. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
So, what is the important part over here? This is brain, right?
Ma'am, good evening. Everything going smoothly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm saying आरव जो है वो बैठ के नहीं लिख रहा है. Okay.
Ara, sleeping, beta. Okay. So, see, this is the upper line, middle, and the lower. Okay. So, what your brain does? Lakshmi, can you tell me what your brain does?
What,
बताओ.
ma'am?
What your brain does? हमारा दिमाग क्या करता है?
Memory, ma'am.
Memory and thinking, planning, right?
Yes, ma'am.
आप अपने दिमाग से सोचते हो? Agree?
Ma'am, Hindi I can't understand.
Oh, you two also don't understand Hindi. Okay. So you think from your brain, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You plan from your brain, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Great. So you understood this upper zone is so important for us.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Avagrah, can you tell me what we do with this legs? What do you do with your legs? आप अपने पाँव से क्या करते हो? What do you do? So we run, we walk, right? Ultimately, we execute. Execute means हम अपने काम को करते हैं. आपने जो सोचा उसे करते हो. Right? Okay. Now, this middle one is heart, emotion. यहाँ पे कौन कौन हंसता है, कौन कौन रोता है?
बताओ.
Each one of you laugh, each one of you cry,
Yes.
each one of you get angry, each one of you get happy. Okay? So, why we are using this 4-line notebook? For the balance, where you need balance in each zone. So, Lakshmi, again I forgot, sorry. Okay. Then Arav, each one who is sitting over here, try to understand that we will be using this 4-line notebook for few days so that we can balance our handwriting. Now see, when you're going to write A or O or letter E, okay, sorry, yeah, these are the middle zone letters. I want each child to write like this, beautifully.
Okay.
Check this middle zone and write it like this and show it to me.
I don't know if Karim Pathulok.
Okay. Both the big boys have done. देखो, the one who is showing me, E में, you have to create a proper loop. The one who don't have loop in letter E, they drink less water. Who drink less water? So parents, if you are sitting there, let me tell you, handwriting doesn't only look beautiful, but it also shows us so many things. It tells that who is listening, who is completing their homework, everything. Okay, so both the brothers write E again, write it very nicely and give this proper loop or a openness. Yes, Lakshmi, very beautifully done. Lakshmi, thank you. Very nice.
Writing. Thank you, ma'am.
I want each child to show me. Avagra, I can't see, beta. I can't see yours. Ma'am, you also writing? You can also show me.
1 minute.
Okay, you are writing in a single line notebook. You don't have your 4-line, beta? No, it's okay. Next day, be ready with your 4-line notebook. Yes, now it's correct. Both the boys,
Many.
it's correct. Ma'am, दिखाइए ma'am. मैम ई में और थोड़ा सा लूप. I want loop in E.
Things.
That means somewhere or the other less water drink हो रहा है. अपने हेल्थ में जितनी पानी की जरूरत है उतना आप नहीं पी पा रहे हो. Okay, here. हाँ, second E is correct, but A correct नहीं हुआ. A again.
Okay, okay. A,
अवग्रह.
A. Yes.
और अवग्रह अब आप बड़े हो गए हो, स्टार्टिंग स्ट्रोक की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. I don't need that starting stroke in your handwriting. You're grown up now. So what you need to do is you need to write it like this. See, I again going to write it. First make a C,
देखो
go up and this. It's very simple. Make C, go up, come down. That's all. And make sure you'll touch the lines. Now, parents, let me tell you one more thing over here. Why do we always insist our kids to touch line? Because touching line means makes them disciplined.
Okay.
तो अगर हमें अपने बच्चों को डिसिप्लिन बनाना है तो we have to teach them to touch the lines properly and write. If your kids are not touching the line, that means they want to make their own rules and regulations.
Yes.
So these are the things what you can understand from this class and you can work on your kids even later on. Okay. So these are the middle zone letters. There are many other. Now, there are letters which has upper zone. What are the letters which has upper zone? H. Okay. H is the letter. Other letters, letter B. Now this letter have upper zone and middle zone. Yani the help of these letters help you to think, to be creative, and the middle zone. What are the other letters you have? You have letter L. Both the boys, why camera off? I want camera on. Amrita ma'am, you can also put camera on. Okay. Now after this, acha, first write and show it to me. Then we will move further. I won't move further like this.
Ma'am, I am not writing actually. I'm just
Okay.
looking your.
Hope enjoying.
हाँ बट आप मेरे टाइम के हिसाब से सेशन चालू नहीं कर रहे हो ना.
अच्छा. sorry मेरा टाइम
Then
आपके साथ
only I
बैठ
will
नहीं रहा है.
enjoy, right?
Okay. Who is showing me? This is Avagrah. Avagrah बेटा B में ना not नहीं देंगे. देखो. I'm
Okay.
again writing.
Good.
See the screen?
देखो.
आपने क्या किया? आपने इसको ऐसे और यहाँ पे एक नॉट दे दिया, ये
Okay.
नॉट नहीं बनाएंगे. ओके, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it up, bring it down like this and simple. Okay,
Okay.
so we're not going to create a knot over here.
Okay.
So see, this is the way online I teach each student, checking their work after every step and helping them out. आपने भी वही किया है बेटा? पहले तो अनम्यूट करके अपना नाम लिख वहां पे, मैं बार बार नाम भूल रही हूँ, मुझे सिर्फ सी याद है और कुछ याद नहीं. Change,
Ma'am,
what your name? Lakshmi, I'm so happy with your handwriting. Very good, very good.
thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now who else have done? Both the boys, come on, show me your work. Where have you gone? नहीं नहीं नहीं, B नहीं हुआ. See, again I'm showing how to write B. See, here, this is the middle zone, I've explained. This one is still better. Yours is still better. You'll take it up, touch the red line, come back, and this. It's very simple. And the one who is in the ninth standard, देखो आपने जब L लिखा है, स्क्रीन देखो बेटा, आपने जब L लिखा है ना, तो ये ऐसे थोड़ा सा हो गया है, इसे अवॉइड करेंगे. इसका मतलब पता है क्या है? अगर वहां मम्मी बैठी होगी तो मान जाएंगी. आप कभी कभी कुछ चीजों पे जिद करते हो और फिर वो करके मानते हो. यू बिकम जिद्दी, है ना? तो कभी कभी ना बेटा कुछ चीजें हमारे लिए अच्छी नहीं होती, उसे हम चेंज करेंगे. कैसे करेंगे? You'll put it like this. Okay? This is good for you. जिद होना खराब नहीं होता, I never say. But जिद एक उम्र के बाद आनी चाहिए. You people are little small now. Handwriting tells me everything. तो जब मैं आपकी writing देखूंगी, I will be able to understand you from top to the bottom. Yes, very good. लेकिन इसमें loop खत्म हो गया है. So we'll have to create a proper loop also. Why loop? Loop हमें creative बनाता है. Okay, Preeti ma'am, you want to say something?
No, 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 no. I'm just showing
Okay.
to you. His
Yeah,
work.
yeah, please show, please show. Yes, perfect, perfect. Very nicely written. Avakre, very good. Okay, now, अच्छा आरव, मैंने आपका नहीं देखा. I'm so sorry, आरव. Show. आरव, थोड़ा सा पास लाओ बेटा. Bring it little closer to the camera. Yes. Okay, good. I have to enlarge my screen. Okay. Sir, can it be done?
They can do from their end.
Okay, please guide them, sir, because this I even don't know.
Double click. Click on the Neha ma'am's screen on tab 2 times.
Okay,
Just a
thank you, ma'am. Thank you for guiding them. Yes, please
Mm.
tap it, and then my screen will be bigger in yours monitor. So you will be able to see it properly. Okay, now we will do letters with the middle zone and lower zone. For example, letter G. So what you need to do? You need to make A first. Now drag it down straight.
Ma'am,
Touch
your
the red
screen-
line. Come
Ma'am,
up.
your
Yes,
screen
beta.
is blurred.
My screen is blurred. No, it's not blurred from here. Is it?
Now it's
Now-
okay.
Yes.
Now it's okay? Okay.
means kids are concentrating. Good.
Yeah. नहीं हुआ. अवग्रह फिर से देखो. Will make A go down straight. एकदम straight जाना, जैसे 9 बनाते हैं. You'll go down straight. Now take it up like this. And make sure when you're doing it like this oval and this tail even not touch itself. दोनों में हल्का सा गैप रहेगा, वेरी स्लाइट गैप. Same manner we will do letter Y. Same manner. You'll make a U, go down and like this. Yes, good. Okay, आरव मैं आपका चेक करूंगी. आरव शो. आरव का I don't know why but I can't see बेटा. Okay, who is showing me? लक्ष्मी. लक्ष्मी बेटा नीचे करो कॉपी को थोड़ा सा, नोटबुक को. नहीं लक्ष्मी ये नहीं हुआ बेटा. लक्ष्मी देखो ध्यान से. पहले A बना लो. Drag it down, touch the red line and come up like this. नहीं, both the brothers. नहीं हुआ. Make it again. हाँ, very good.
अब्बा
अब
मतलब
अग्रे लूप को बस थोड़ा सा बड़ा करो बेटा. बहुत अच्छा बनाया है. लूप को थोड़ा सा और बड़ा करेंगे बस.
भाई के
Who is showing me now? Who is showing me? Lakshmi. हाँ लक्ष्मी, this one is better. Very good Lakshmi. आरव बेटा show me. देखो both the brothers. See here. आपने क्या किया? आपने ऐसे लेके इसको ऐसे, ये नहीं करना है. Okay? See, this is not to be done. What you need to do, you need to make U go down, touch the red line and this. Okay? This is how you need to write. So see, parents, आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा, even kids are understanding how I'm going to teach. I'm going to teach each and every alphabet, the formation, and even, you know, when you start writing words, paragraphs, sentences, I'll be teaching you for the spaces and everything. Yeah, good. Arav, good. Good try. थोड़ा सा और वर्क करना है बट कोशिश अच्छी कर रहे हो. वेरी गुड लक्ष्मी, वेरी गुड. दिस टाइम यू हैव डन वाई परफेक्टली. वेरी गुड.
Thank you, ma'am.
जैनम, थैंक यू बेटा, आपने अपना नाम वहां पे लिखा. थैंक यू. जैनम देखो वाई आपने बहुत अच्छा बनाया. फिर से दिखा, फिर से दिखा. शो मी वंस अगेन बेटा. योर G इज करेक्ट. Y में बेटा ये दोनों टच हो गया है, वहां पे वर्क करेंगे. द रेस्ट यू हैव डन वेरी नाइसली. गुड. आई एम सो हैप्पी. ईच वन ऑफ यू डूइंग सो वेल. अवग्रह, वेरी गुड. दिस टाइम यू हैव डन इट करेक्टली. ओके, नाउ वी विल डू लास्ट लेटर नाउ. ओके, F. You know, F is the only letter which has all the three zones. Superb letter, you know. It tells you about your planning. This tells you about your execution. आपने suppose करो मम्मी का birthday plan किया है. So you planned, now you execute and the result. So this is a wonderful letter. I'm writing it again. देखो यहाँ मैंने dot दिया है. From here you'll go up, touch the red line, come down and this. Now just make it and show it to me. Okay, boys have done. बेटा कॉपी को ऊपर, यहाँ keep your copies up, keep your copies up. I haven't seen. Yeah, bring it closer बेटा, bring it closer. I can see your G. Very good. This time you have done it correctly. Very good Lakshmi. F is much better. Only one mistake Lakshmi. जैनम बेटा ये वाला F नहीं. जैनम कोशिश करो, ये F बहुत अच्छा है आपके लिए.
Ma'am, I don't like pursue.
You don't like this F, but try karo. This will make you very good in execution. Sorry, planning, execution. And if this you are not able to, just show it to me. Then I will help you with the other one. Okay, Lakshmi, यहाँ देखो आपने क्या किया ना, ऐसे बनाया.
Ma'am, once
Lakshmi,
again, repeat.
so Lakshmi, this is getting cut. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to
Yeah,
create a
you
line
can
over
hear
here, so there won't be any cutting.
F.
Lakshmi, you understood? Ara, where should I help you? Tell me. जैनम इसको स्ट्रेट करो. बहुत सुंदर बना है, सिर्फ इसको स्ट्रेट करो. Okay.
Arav made a mistake, ma'am.
Arav made a mistake. Sir, actually, I can't see his notebook. I don't know why. हाँ, bring it closer, bring it closer. थोड़ा सा ऊपर. आरव, थोड़ा सा कॉपी को ऊपर करो. Yes. आरव ने ट्राई बहुत सही किया है. एक दो बार प्रैक्टिस करेगा तो आएगा. आरव, इसको नीचे लेके जाओ बेटा. टच द रेड लाइन डाउन.
Right leg down. Red leg.
Okay. This both the boys. बेटा ऊपर भी लूप होगा. You have to create a loop here also at the top. Yes. अब अग्रह शो बेटा. नहीं, अब अग्रह का नहीं हुआ. देखो मैं ध्यान से दिखा रही हूँ. बहुत इजी है ये. यहाँ पे डॉट दिया. आई गो अप. मैं पीछे से ऐसे एकदम स्ट्रेट नीचे आई. इसको उठाया और ऐसे. अगर कोई अल्फाबेट बच्चा नहीं प्रैक्टिस कर पाता है तो मैं प्रॉपर उसका वीडियो बना के भी ग्रुप में देती हूँ. एंड इवन सर shares the recording. Should I write it once again? Who's asking me to repeat? Saturya. Okay. See, I should write it F again. You want me to write again?
Yeah.
Okay. See, here, go up, touch the red line, bring it down straight. Take it, and this is your letter F. I'll write it more slow. I'll go more slow so that you can see
Wait,
and
wait,
understand. See, this is the first.
First.
This
First
is
line.
the first step. Okay, do it.
First line करना है side ऊपर.
Now, from here only, take it a turn and bring it down, touch the red line. This is the second step. Third, pick it up. And fourth. Clear?
Good.
So it's a very easy. Yes, as you have not written, you need practice. Everything needs practice. Very good, Lakshmi. Now it's much better. So Lakshmi, yes, there is a scope of improvement a lot. Yes, we need practice. That's very true.
कुछ नहीं आउट P L V N
Okay.
रनिंग ने ऊपर पहुंच दे दो ऊपर અહીંયા
Tell me, kids, have you enjoyed just writing few alphabets? What we enjoyed a lot and we learned a lot, isn't it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how in our class we will be learning formations of each alphabet. Number one. Number two, we will be learning how to write words while connecting. Okay. Number three, I will be teaching you sentences. How? As you all write sentences. But what is the problem with the sentences? Sometimes you write some words very close. Sometimes you write it very far. So we will be working on the space. Okay. And balancing. That is the reason we are writing on 4-line notebook. Sometimes your H looks like N. Agree?
Agreed,
Sometimes
or-
your CD looks like, it's like L and I. So we will be working in all these areas. And parents, those who are sitting there, you can understand that each letter tells me a lot about student. So I work on that particular area as well in the class. Of course, now I would love you people to ask me questions if you have anything related handwriting. You can unmute yourself and ask questions.
आपने जो एफ को बैक किया पहले बोला कि कट आ रहा है लेकिन फिर जो फॉर्मेशन किया उसमें भी तो पीछे
नहीं।
करके फिर आगे हुआ क्या डिफरेंस था उसमें
उसमें, yes, I will show you the difference. Okay, can you see the screen now?
हाँ
देखो, जो लक्ष्मी ने बनाया था वहां पे ना ऐसा कट आ रहा है, ये कट नहीं, वहां पे ये भी कट हो रहा है.
अच्छा ओके
ओके. और जब ऐसे बनाएंगे, यहाँ पे इसे हम कट इसलिए नहीं मान रहे हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो लूप है ना, दिस इज क्रिएटिंग प्लानिंग, एग्जीक्यूशन का लूप एंड दिस गोइंग पीछे इन द पास्ट. एक मजेदार बात बताती हूँ. the left hand side of the page resembles your past, whereas this is the future.
Future.
So this is going to the past and coming back to the future, which tells you that आप अपने past mistakes से सीखोगे. You will learn from your past mistakes.
और
So
जो मैम
each
जैसे
alphabet is
back,
beautiful.
हाँ दैट आई अंडरस्टूड मैम, लेकिन जैसे बैक में कोई अगर नहीं कर रहा है और सीधा ज्वाइंट से डायरेक्ट आगे कर रहा है, तो उस
तो
केस
वो
में
ज्यादा
मैम
रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड है. वो ये नहीं
ओके
सोच रहा है कि मैंने क्या पास में किया. वो प्लान कर रहा है, एग्जीक्यूट कर रहा है, सीधा रिजल्ट पे ध्यान दे रहा है.
ओके
Hmm?
ओके, मतलब पास्ट का एक्सपीरियंस कैरी नहीं कर रहा है आगे के लिए, है ना, ये
हाँ,
भी बोल सकते
कैरी
हैं.
नहीं कर. हाँ हाँ, बिल्कुल बोल
ओके ओके.
सकते. ओके, सो नाउ प्लीज टेल मी द क्वेश्चंस. क्लासेस हम कल से शुरू कर रहे हैं.
टाइमिंग
व्हाट
क्या है
टाइमिंग
मैम?
सूट्स यू? व्हाट टाइमिंग सूट्स यू ऑल?
मेरा तो मैम वही है, 6 बजे के बाद कीजिए. बाकी लोग
Okay.
क्या बोलते हैं?
After 7.
After
नहीं
7?
बट मैम मेरे बाबू का एज 4 ईयर है ना, आई थिंक ये सारे बड़े बच्चे हैं.
हाँ हाँ, आपका इसमें नहीं हो पाएगा.
हाँ नहीं हो सकता.
Okay, kids, are you comfortable with the evening timing? मैं टाइमिंग एक बार डिसाइड करके सर के साथ I'll let you know.
Okay.
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 Are you ready for the classes from tomorrow?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Great. Okay. पेरेंट्स को कुछ क्वेश्चन करना है? एनीथिंग रिलेटेड?
In the
Yes,
month,
ma'am.
पॉसिबल है ये जो उनका राइटिंग स्किल है वो चेंज हो जाएगा?
सर इन अ मंथ मैं आपको कैसे बोलूं ये चीज, लेकिन 110% विद इन 6 days. मैं 4 days बोलती हूँ, फिर भी मैंने कह के बढ़ा दिया. विद इन 6 days you will see improvement in kids handwriting.
बिकॉज ऑन वीडियो कॉल है ना, तो वो थोड़ा सजेशंस में थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट लगता है.
नहीं, इट्स लाइक मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ऑनलाइन इज द बेस्ट सर नाउअडेज. बिकॉज जब आप ऑफलाइन क्लासेस कराते हो, यू सेंड योर किड्स समवेयर और माइट बी टीचर इज कमिंग एंड देन यू आर लॉकिंग द डोर. यहाँ
Okay.
पे पेरेंट्स आर नॉट गेटिंग एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू मॉनिटर एंड इवन टू लर्न. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम पेरेंट्स हो गए तो लर्न करने के लिए नहीं है. देयर इज लॉट टू लर्न, right? So when you are sitting online, you have an opportunity of learning and having an opportunity to monitor what your kids is actually doing. So I don't know, but by the grace of God, I'm doing very well in online. So it's a perfect platform.
It is on cursive writing only के और इनका third
Sir, first of all, I'm not teaching cursive, I'm teaching connected handwriting. Cursive
Okay.
handwriting comes with a lot of irrelevant strokes.
Okay.
So I don't teach that. Irrelevant stroke मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ, है ना? So you will get an idea. Now, when you write in cursive, I have seen people writing it like this. So
Yes.
we don't prefer this. This is not required. क्या ये L नहीं है?
No, definitely. This one is
है
a,
ना? So why to give extra strokes? Cursive writing comes with lot of extra strokes, which is somewhere few strokes are not beneficial.
okay.
So we help them to connect handwriting. Connected handwriting is very good for the connection of thoughts. So that we teach.
सर आप बोल
हाँ.
रहे हो ऑनलाइन टीचिंग है, ऑनलाइन टीचिंग आज आपको कुछ दिक्कत लगी जो मैंने सिखाया? आपका बच्चा समझ रहा था कि नहीं समझ रहा था?
समझ रहा था. then sometimes his writing, उसका जो राइटिंग स्किल है उसको इम्प्रूव करने के लिए कोशिश कर रहा था. बट मुझे लगा इन द फ्रंट ऑफ फेस टू फेस होता है तो वो शायद टीचर्स भी उस तरीके से वो पेपर्स को देख सकते हैं. दैट वी ये इसमें मुझे लगा ना कि वी आर शोइंग ऑन द स्क्रीन. ठीक है.
Yes.
हाँ.
कभी कभी क्या होता है कि बच्चे को पता नहीं चलता है हम लैपटॉप कैसे ऑपरेट करें या फिर कैसे मोबाइल पे बताए, तो डिफिकल्टी हो जाती है थोड़ी बहुत. उसने लिखा है, प्योरिटी स्क्रीन में दिख रहा है या नहीं दिख रहा है, थोड़ा डिफरेंसेस आ रहा है. मैंने जो फेस किया वही बताया आपको. ठीक है.
नहीं, completely fine.
फ्रंटली
This
होता ना तो वो क्या होता, आप मार्किंग करते कि यारो ये गलत है एंड आपको इस तरीके से राइट करना है. तो जो टेबल पर से खड़े होकर 15 बच्चे पूछ सकते हैं ये आंसर, ये गलत आ रहा है, इसे आपको सुधारना है, और वो भी आप बार बार करवाते हैं उनसे। ठीक है, बट इट इज गुड, आज ट्राई
नहीं,
पर
लो।
आप
वहां आप
सही बोल
नहीं
रहे हो,
सीख
लेकिन
पाते।
जो मैम है वो इतने सालों से यही कर रही है, ऑनलाइन
ओके,
में जो कर रही है इतने सालों से।
अच्छा, ओके। नहीं, उन्होंने बताया मुझे कि विद इन 6 days यू गॉट द इम्प्रूवमेंट, तो वो उन्होंने एक 110% कमिटमेंट दिया है, तो वो भी कुछ होगा।
सिर्फ राइटिंग ठीक नहीं होती है, और बहुत कुछ बताया उन्होंने, शायद बहुत कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा, उनके बिहेवियर में चेंज हो जाएगा, उनके फ्रेंडशिप में चेंज हो जाएगा, मार्क्स से सब, हैंड राइटिंग तो बहुत दूर की बात, बहुत
अच्छा,
सारे चेंजेस आएंगे,
अच्छा,
लाइफ में चेंजेस आ जाते हैं हैंड राइटिंग।
ओके,
डैडी
डन डन।
What happened, everyone? Why is cameras off?
बच्चे धीरे धीरे खड़े हो रहे हैं ना, उनका खेलने का टाइम है, पूरे दिन रहते नहीं है,
हाँ,
वो घर में ही
खेलने का
पड़े रहते हैं।
टाइम हो रहा है। यस,
नहीं, वो
नहीं तो
पूरे
बच्चे
दिन
जा
समर
सकते हैं,
की वजह से
पेरेंट्स आ सकते हैं।
पूरे दिन समर में वो लोग बैठे रहते हैं घर में, इसीलिए वो शाम को उनका खेलने का टाइम हो जाता है फिर।
नहीं नहीं, तो बच्चे जा सकते हैं, पेरेंट्स आ सकते हैं, बिकॉज पेरेंट्स हैव क्वेश्चंस नाउ, सो दे कैन आस्क।
मैम मुझे पूछना था एक क्वेश्चन।
बिल्कुल
जैसे
मैम।
आपने बताया कि कर्सिव राइटिंग आप नहीं सिखाते हैं, आप बेसिक मतलब जो क्लियर मतलब हैंड राइटिंग के लिए बेसिक
मैडम
जरूरी है वो।
सीखने की जरूरत भी नहीं है, सिखाते नहीं है, हम
हम्म,
सिखाते हैं, लेकिन वो जरूरत नहीं है, उससे हमारे बच्चे बिगड़ जाएंगे, इसलिए नहीं सिखाते।
ओके। बट मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था मैम, जैसे कर्सिव राइटिंग अभी मोस्टली स्कूल्स में आप भी जानते हैं कि राइटिंग में जैसे कर्सिव ही लिखते हैं, तो वहां पे भी इम्प्रूवमेंट शो होगा बच्चों को हैंड राइटिंग में?
आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि मैंने कर्सिव लिखा है कि क्या लिखा।
ओके। मुझे तो क्लियर नहीं है मैम, रियली मैंने बताया था आपको लास्ट कॉल में भी, मुझे तो बहुत सारे इश्यूज है, दैट्स वाई मुझे एक हेल्प की रिक्वायरमेंट थी, तो यहाँ पे मुझे बहुत सारी चीजें पॉजिटिव लगी, इसलिए मैंने फिर ज्वाइन किया है अभी, तो मैं
ये
कंटिन्यू कर।
राइटिंग दिखाई दे रही है आपको?
यस मैम, यस मैम।
क्या ये
ब्यूटीफुल।
कर्सिव राइटिंग है?
यस।
यस। सो दिस इज व्हाट कनेक्टेड हैंड राइटिंग।
ओके ओके ओके।
कर्सिव राइटिंग में और कनेक्टेड राइटिंग में मैम कोई खास डिफरेंस नहीं है, सिर्फ कुछ चीजें जैसे कि ओक में, कर्सिव राइटिंग में अंदर में एक गांठ से एक लूप दे देते हैं, हम वो अवॉइड करते हैं, बिकॉज ओवल शेप में नहीं होना चाहिए, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ रीजंस, है ना।
ओके
वो हमें कहीं ना कहीं सिक्रेटिव बना देता है। एक एग्जांपल
ओके
दूं आपको, जब अवग्रह छोटा होगा, वो हमेशा आपके पास आता होगा और आपसे बहुत सारी बातें शेयर करता होगा।
यस मैम।
स्लोली स्लोली केजी के बाद कर्सिव हैंडराइटिंग आई, और आप नोटिस
हम्म।
करोगे क्लास 2 तक अवग्रह ने आपसे बात करना, आपसे उतना शेयरिंग करना कम कर दिया।
स्कूल की बातें तो बहुत कम ही शेयर करता है मैम, मतलब
करता
बाकी
है।
तो सब
अब
करेंगे।
मैं
यस।
आपको एक एग्जांपल बताती हूँ होता क्या है। लेटर
हम्म
ओ, और बहुत सारे ऐसे लेटर्स में हम ऐसा स्ट्रोक देते हैं कर्सिव राइटिंग में जो हमें हाइडिंग बना देता है,
हम्म।
that
ओके।
makes us hiding. Okay, so what happened with that, for the year he starts at that time doesn't happen, but later on it start affecting in the character, and he became secretive because of that, not because his group of friends got changed and other things, no, because unknowingly we have introduced that particular letter in his handwriting, and he became like that. So when you again going to remove it and give the new one, and he practice it for a long time, you will again start seeing that, oh my God, Avagra suddenly become more expressive now. He started sharing his things. So the
ओके
reason is this.
ओके ओके श्योर। सो मैम यहाँ हिंदी राइटिंग का भी मैंने जैसे बोला था, उनका बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, मात्राएं मतलब वो इवन स्लीपिंग लाइन जैसे मात्रा शब्द पूरा होने के बाद लाइन भी क्लियर नहीं रहता उनका, तो वहां पे भी इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा उनका, तो
मैम
हिंदी में
अभी
तो
हम
बहुत।
इंग्लिश करा रहे हैं. Now we are
ओके
doing
ओके
English. Of course, we will be
श्योर श्योर।
helping you with the Hindi also later on. Once let's finish it with
ओके
English, and then you
यस
can enroll yourself for Hindi. No
श्योर
problem
श्योर।
with.
यस थैंक यू।
हम लोग टिप्स बता देंगे कि कैसे शेड्यूल रेखा कैसे होनी चाहिए, थोड़ा सा एक दो पॉइंट्स जो उनको हेल्प होगा। और किसी को कोई सवाल? पेरेंट्स?
So the classes will be for 10 days continuously online. where I will be guiding kids how to write, what to write, and everything. I'll be helping you. And you will see noticeable change within 6 days. After that, we also work on improvement of your speed. Okay, so I'll be helping you with the speed writing also, because once you learn new handwriting, it is automatic, you'll get slow. So I'll help you with that so that you can speed up as well. After that, still the class is not over. What will happen? Every day you'll practice. Suppose you're writing in school or anything, you will be sharing your work with me in the group itself, and I will be monitoring it.
Okay.
Okay, so this is how the 21 days of our handwriting classes is designed. Lakshmi, you want to ask something? No? So the complete days are 21, 10 days online, and after 10 days, there will be sharing of work and checking. Now, in case if I feel that kids need more 2 classes or something, I will definitely going to give that. Nobody have to be thinking or, worried about that. I will be there. Okay. Even after 21 days, if you feel कि बच्चे को practice की जरूरत है, you can keep sharing your work with me and I'll be keep monitoring them.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So is there any question? And so you can enroll yourself for tomorrow's class and we can directly start from tomorrow. Evening time will be hopefully preferable for everyone, right? So
Yes,
we
yes.
can keep the classes in the evening. Lakshmi, that both the boys, Lakshmi, evening timing is comfortable? Yes? So we can keep the class in the evening? Okay. So I'll be keeping class in the evening and
This is the demo class. What you want next?
Lakshmi, are you there in the group?
I think everyone in group. देखिए अगर आप लोग को ज्वाइन करना है तो चीज तो आप लोग को मालूम ही है, आप लोग ज्वाइन कर
Sir,
सकते हो.
me and these 2 boys, they don't understand Hindi.
Okay. 2 boys means कौन?
Sir, ये Dona Dula, something is written.
Okay. ठीक है. Let me show the
इनसे
image.
कोई बात नहीं हुई. शिवाय श्रीवास्तव. Actually, he joined very late. Shivai, beta, unmute yourself.
Yes,
Shivai, did you did anything? आपने कुछ लिखा? लिखा? मेरे को दिखाओ, मैंने तो देखा ही नहीं आपका वर्क.
मैम हम ना अभी 15 मिनट पहले ही ज्वाइन हो
हाँ,
पाए.
एक्चुअली मेरे को वही था, आपने लेट ज्वाइन किया ना, तो मैं नहीं कर पाई. ओके, शिवाय ने तो बहुत सुंदर लिखा है. वेरी गुड शिवाय.
thank you.
You all
शिवाय,
can join, yes, by paying 3,600. There will be 11 live sessions plus 10 practice sessions. This is number you can pay 9822568660. Yeah, ma'am, please continue. Any parent have any query?
both the boys, do you have any question? Mama have anything to ask? Mama or Papa?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Great. So you're joining tomorrow?
Okay, ma'am.
I'll discuss with parents.
I discussed with parents, ma'am.
Definitely. Do let us know. Okay. Yeah. So this is the time we can say bye to each other.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Take care. Go and have your dinner. Go.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
Most
Bye.
welcome.
Good night, night.
Good night. Pita, sweet dreams. Good night, Avagray.
Good night, ma'am.
Good night.